Have you ever wondered why some people achieve so much in the same 24 hours that you and I have? Success isn't about working harder. It's about managing time smarter. Every day you receive a deposit of 86,400 seconds into your life account. You can't save it. You can't roll it over. Whatever you don't use is gone forever. Successful people aren't given extra hours. They simply protect their time. Instead of scrolling for hours, imagine using that same time to read, practice, or work out. Elon Musk studied rockets through books. Serena Williams became a champion through practice, not parties. They weren't born different. They just chose different priorities. Divide your day wisely. 8 hours for work or study, 8 hours for rest, and 8 hours for growth and relationships. When you balance these, you're not just busy. You're truly productive. Your future is being written every single day in how you use your hours. Don't just count the days. Make the days count. Success isn't found in tomorrow. It's built in the 24 hours you already have.